guys, I'm Leslie. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to give you an easy DIY fall farmhouse front porch idea. Super easy, so versatile. Let's just get right into it. So I want you to just get your favorite fall wreath. They have so many options out there right now. So today I'm actually going to use a new fall wreath that I got from Michael's. I will list it down below. But I want to show you that these are some of the fall wreaths that I've had from the past and how easy it is to switch this idea out. Next, I want you to get a terracotta saucer. I also bought this at Michael's. So you need to make sure that you get the right size for your wreath. So obviously I planned this one out and tested it out when I bought it. And that's just gonna go right there, nice and strong and snug. So some wreaths, keep in mind, you might not have to use a terracotta pot to go on the bottom to hold what we're going to put in the center. This wreath is super skinny in the middle, and you could set something in here that wouldn't require having a pot there. Next up, I want you to pick your item that you want to put in the middle. For me, I'm going to do this adorable tin pumpkin. So simple and cute, but really adds to my farmhouse look that I'm wanting. Okay, so next up after you do that, I want you to pick your ribbon that you feel like would coordinate well with your project. You're going to cut 3 pieces that are the exact same length, and we're going to tie them in a triangle. Make sure you allow enough string in order to be tied at the bottom and at the top. Next up, tie your ribbon in a triangle around your wreath. And lastly, I got these really cute lights, which I know you probably can't see out here right now. I'll try and get a night shot of it here later on tonight. Definitely put those in there in your pumpkin so it'll really light it up in the dark tonight. Let's go hang this up. I found a little hook that I already had. You can buy these at Michael's, and I just tied it to that, and I'm just gonna hang it up. If it's a windy day, or if you don't have somewhere to hang it on your front porch, this is a great idea. Look at that, what a cute centerpiece that would be. Okay, next up I have another item from the Dollar Tree for $1, and we're just gonna make it over and turn it into a really cute wreath for our front door. So first up here, you know I got to sandpaper off all that glitter that they have on here. And then we're just gonna spray paint it with a chalk paint. Wasn't windy today, so I was able to do that. I did end up having to give 3 coats to this because where the glitter was really hard to cover up on this one. So 3 coats with the chalk paint, and then next I ended up going upstairs, getting on my Cricut, and printing off the cutest little saying that I'm gonna show you that you're gonna see that we ended up putting on the sign. Okay, so as you're gonna see here, I chose Love You More Than Pumpkin Everything, pretty appropriate for fall. And as you can see here, I have to keep lifting it up and putting it back down in order to get it in the place that I want. Don't be afraid when you're working with vinyl to actually move it around. This is a removable vinyl, so before I'm actually pressing it down, you do have the option to keep picking it up and placing it down to get it in the exact spot. But this vinyl was just being so difficult, and honestly I think it was my transfer tape. I think I had an extra strength transfer tape because it just kept wanting to bring it back with me. So after a long time I finally got it done. So here I used the wreath that I already had, so I didn't have to spend any money, and this thing was so easy. It just pushed right into the middle of this wreath and turned out so cute. I wanted to keep it with no color. I wanted it to be monochromatic just to kind of go with my farmhouse theme. But I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you some ideas. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.